In a tragic incident that occurred on February 6, 2024, 28-year-old Malaysian Puah Yui Loon was involved in a fatal hit-and-run accident on Singapore's Bukit Timah Expressway, BKE. Puah, who worked as a cashier at a lounge bar in Singapore, had been working overnight and consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel of his car. After finishing work around 1 a.m., he drove a colleague home before heading towards the Woodlands checkpoint. While speeding on the BKE at 141 km per hour, well over the 90 km per hour speed limit, Puah approached a motorcycle carrying 22-year-old Joshua Khaim Chi Y and his girlfriend, 23-year-old Siti Noor Diana Abdul Rahim. Instead of reducing his speed to safely pass them, Puah attempted a dangerous maneuver by squeezing past the motorcycle in the same lane. This reckless action resulted in a collision, causing the motorcycle to overturn. Khaim was tragically flung to the ground and suffered fatal head injuries. He was pronounced dead at the scene. Ms. Siti, conscious but injured, watched helplessly as her boyfriend lay unresponsive. Despite the severity of the accident, Puah did not stop to render aid. Instead, he fled the scene, crossing the causeway to his condo in Johor Bahru. The next day, on February 7, he was arrested when he returned to Singapore via Woodlands checkpoint. The authorities were able to identify him using video footage captured by two vehicles that had been driving behind Puah at the time of the incident. On September 10, Puah appeared in court, where he pleaded guilty to dangerous driving causing death. In addition to this, 5 other charges, including failure to render assistance and failure to report the accident, were considered in his sentencing. Puah expressed regret over his actions, stating that fear had caused him to flee the scene. However, the judge dismissed any excuse for such reckless behavior, noting the excessive speed and alcohol consumption as aggravating factors. Puah was ultimately sentenced to 3 years and 10 months in jail, alongside a 10-year driving ban. This case has sparked outrage, with many questioning the responsibility of drivers under the influence and the severe consequences that follow reckless driving. The story of a young life lost and another deeply impacted by this tragic incident serves as a somber reminder of the importance of road safety. What are your thoughts on the sentencing? Do you believe it was fair, given the circumstances? Should stricter measures be taken against those who drive recklessly or under the influence? Let us know in the comments below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more detailed news coverage, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.